NiteRider bicycle lights are the lights that I recommend. I've been using this brand for 5 or more years. The way that their lens is placed, it's recessed in the body of the light. And so this one I've dropped. This is one of the first ones I have bought. It's a 550 lumen light. That lumens is the brightness, but I've dropped it a lot. You can see all the chips on it. There's all kinds of chips, and the lens has not broken. This is one of their, and because it's recessed, and then on the top of the light, it's kind of overhangs. So when I drop this light, it hits the body instead of the lens. And the lens is not even scratched, shockingly. They do have a warranty. One of the lights, the battery had given out and died, and they replaced the battery free of charge and shipped it back to me free of charge. I did have to pay to get it shipped to them, but I believe so. It was a long time ago. Like this one, it has to be 5 years old, at least 5 years old. As you can see, their mounting system is very good. It's very secure. I like the clamp on it. It's better than those cheap elastic straps. These last a long time. This one's kind of worn. I do have a new one. I gotta replace this. I have this placed on a bike pump, but this is just for demonstration purposes. But the way it mounts on there, it'll tighten on that handlebar, and you can loosen it, and watch, I'll show you, it'll swing out like that. See that? So there's this is very secure. It'll click in there. Yeah, sometimes like I'm in a rush and I don't click it in all the way, and so I'm riding, all of a sudden I'll hit a bump and it'll fly off, which is not good. As you can see, there's a chip right there. So yeah, I'm pretty sure if I send it in, they'll replace the body. They'll probably charge me because I damaged it. You know, it wasn't. I have dropped these so many times that I think I have at least one of them where I damaged where the rail is. Very quality lights. This is like aluminum right here. I highly recommend it. But they don't make this style and that low of lumens, that low level of brightness anymore. I don't recommend the lights, their style where that wraps around the handlebar with a piece of elastic. Those ones don't last that long. I don't recommend buying front lights lower than 400 lumens. If it's a rear light, I wouldn't go below 100 lumens. I recommend, if you can afford it, go at least 200. They don't make this style in 100 no more. This is a 100 lumen light, rear light. This one, I've broken this clip before, and they actually sent me 3 replacement clips, and they're very and they're easily replaceable. But I clip this on my backpack, on my pants, jacket. They also make a mounting system for your seat post, but I don't use it because I'll forget about it on my bike and somebody will probably try to steal it. They charge with a micro USB micro B, so it's pretty standard charging cable. You can buy it anywhere. I recommend you at least go into a dealership and just take a look at them to see if they'll let you touch them and feel them, and I guarantee you're gonna know what's better quality. I've tried a lot of different brands, big brands, Cat Eye, Surface, Saigo Light. This is the best one. This is the one that has lasted the longest and has not broken. Like I said, that lens, where they place the lens and how this plastic how it's recessed into the body is a very, very, very important feature. Because I had an expensive Surface light, I cracked the lens because it was just exposed, it wasn't recessed, and I'm like, you know, that there's 40 bucks down the drain. These aren't cheap. I mean, they do have different price ranges. I think the cheapest one that comes in this design, in this body, is the 650L, so that's 650 lumens, and it's cost $60. So that's the cheapest one you can get, 60 bucks. And this, the style that I recommend, the model, the body that I recommend, 650 lumens. The rear light, in this style, the lowest lumens you can get is 250, and it's only 30 bucks. So the rear lights are significantly cheaper. You know, get a rear light, get a front light, be safe out there. I know a lot of you don't ride at night, but you might get a flat, you might run into an unexpected situation, you might be stuck out in the dark. Spend the money, have these in your bag for emergency purposes. I even keep one in my car as a flashlight because I have so many of them. But yeah, I'm not sponsored. I just recommend, you know, when it comes to safety, I want to recommend something that's gonna be there for you and keep you safe. So get these lights. Lumens is the level of brightness. Just in case you don't know, I'm gonna leave a lot of information in the description. A link to their website. You can buy them directly from NiteRider. You don't have to go to a dealer.